Dito sana kanina, nakal mo, di ba nakuha? Yung anak ko di lumingon eh. Kaya nga eh. Wala na, takpan na. Kaya na eh. Gagraduate sa lahat ngayon dito.
Kanya-kanyang laki na ng mata, parang makita.
Pinakamalaki na yun eh.
Sunod na si ano yun. Sigas ko ng titignan ko.
Yung pinakamalaki.
Sabi mo na masigas ko, hindi ka lang gawin.
Garong-garong. Kahapon eh. So, pagsuot, sabi na si Kaya Blas.
Nakalawa sila sa nakuli.
Oo.
Gagawin. Gagawin yung mga may upuan. Ano mo nakapay? Parang nakakayo yung mga yan. Nalapit naman ko na, hindi ko nakakakas. Yung upuan yung iba.
Tayo ng iba ah.
Hindi kaya ng PICC yung estudyante.
A round of applause for our graduating class of 2026.
Ayun, napinit ko. Ayun, nangyayang ko.
Dami pa nga eh. Ito dito sa kabila oh.
Sinisilip
Ayun
ko
na lang.
sa ako. Dahil nilasa kaya ang mga nanay ko.
Skate.
Pin! Ako siya.
And now for the people whose dedication, guidance, and unwavering commitment have helped shape the minds and futures of our graduates. Let's give a round of applause to our faculty members.
Doon sila ako. Ako sa likod. Sila ako po. Dara-diretso. Dara-diretso.
Faculty members.
Natulog. Wala na upuan dito. Ayan, pinaikot. Ito doon. Pinaikot nga. Bumalik.
Dapat ba alam nila yan?
Bumalik ka
Oo.
na. Parang masaya. Ayun, yan.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause to our faculty members.
Hindi na lang napunta si Gaston.
Napaiwanan na. Doon.
Yan naka-video na oh.
Ayun, pinababalik. Gaston, wala.
900 graduates. Students sila.
Ayun. Wala si Justin. Hindi kasi sila dito nag-practice kaya hindi nila alam kung saan ang pwesto.
At yung mga hindi maintindihan ko sa phone may mga bata.
Kaya nga, kasi hindi sila dito nag-practice. Sa PCU kasi sila. Wala nang gaston ko. Kasi Jerry,
Makukuha niyo ba? Kawawa. Oo.
Kaya na po yan ko, pagkakalaga ko sa akin.
And now our PCU officials, starting off with our property custodian for sanitation materials, concerned water field supervisor for both Manila and Dasmariñas, Janelle T. De Guzman. Treasury Supervisor for Treasury Office, Mr. Robert T. Mas. Purchasing Supervisor for General Services Office, Ms. Irish M. Garalde. Maintenance Supervisor, Concurrent Sanitation Supervisor for General Services Office, Rowan Z. De La Cruz. Payroll Supervisor for Accounting and Business Office, Cherry Rose L. Concepcion. Property Supervisor for General Services Office, Jeffrey Q. Abanes. Coordinator for Employee Occupational Health and Safety for both Manila and Dasmariñas, Abraham T. Alsan Jr. Coordinator for Systems Administrations and Programming Department, Diana Joy A. Vitaduso. Coordinator for Human Resource Development, Dr. Sharon G. Villarreal. Coordinator for Creative Media, Mr. Mark Gerald G. Patalinghog. Coordinator for Guidance Office for Basic Education, Mr. Spencer C. Mapute. Coordinator for Network Administration and Technical Department, Mr. Nelson L. Lacson. Coordinator for University Academic Extension Program, Concurrent Coordinator for Online Education and Advancements Program, Dr. Jasper Seth P. Gabasa. Alumni Coordinator for External Affairs Office, Ms. Abby J. M. The Truth. Coordinator for Library Services for Basic Education Unit, Ms. Andrea A. De Guzman. Coordinator for Marketing and Corporate Communication for Office of External Affairs, Dr. Emeliza E. Cosio. Coordinator for Institute for Innovation, Research and Sustainability, Dr. Juliet K. Bukoy. Coordinator for Library Services for College and Graduate School Units, Mr. Joshua P. Briones. Coordinator for Office of the Student Affairs, Dr. Roland Isaac Bayala. Coordinator for Medical Services Office, Concurrent Safety Officer, Nurse Arshel T. Antonio. Program Coordinator for National Service Training Program, Ms. Jolene D. Anquilo. OIC for Campus Treasurer, Ms. Aline Monette Martin. Record Supervisor for College Registrar, Mr. Jeffrey Miguel P. Ragos. OIC Campus Registrar, Ms. Rowena F. Lopez. Campus Accountant, Ms. Katrina May D. Yen. Principal for Senior High School, Ms. Maria Beatriz B. Sico. Associate Director for Institute for Innovation, Research and Sustainability, Dr. Raquel Violeta D. Rosano. Director for Health Services Office, Manila and Dasmariñas, Dr. Wesley C. Binluan. Director for Educational Quality Assurance, Manila and Dasmariñas, Donnie G. Umoso. Director, National Service Training Program for Manila and Dasmariñas, Retired General Ramon G. Santos. Director for Library Services, Manila and Dasmariñas, Jinky M. Mordido. Director for Institute for Innovation, Research and Sustainability, Manila and Dasmariñas Campuses, Dr. Janelle E. Gia. Director for Human Resource Development Office for Manila and Dasmariñas, Ms. Rebecca R. Calabos. Director for Data Privacy Office, Co-Arts Review Center and JNOT Program for Manila and Dasmariñas, Dr. Francis Christy C. Arnado. Director for Graduate School of Business and Management, PhD Program, Dr. Revelino D. Garcia. Director for Music, Culture and Arts, Dr. Thomas V. Cabanta. Director of Student Services Concurrent Guidance Coordinator for College, Dr. Romeline C. Saul. Acting Director for External Affairs Office, Concurrent Admission Supervisor, Dr. Marcelo Vicente M. Mapa IV. Director, Athletics Department, Mr. Juanito de la Cruz Balandres. Director, Information, Communications and Technology Center, Dr. Ivy Joy S. Bautista. Campus Administrator, Concurrent Director for General Services Office, Miss Ana Carissa Francia A. Castillo. Program Head for Business Administration, Ms. Richelle C. Toledo. Program Head for Electrical Engineering, Concurrent Program Head for Electronics and Communications Engineering, Mr. Ricardo M. Toledo Jr. Program Head for Custom Administration Program for Manila and Las Marinas, Dr. Roger V. Pinner. Program Head for Computer Engineering, Mr. Renato I. Millier. Program Head for Civil Engineering Program, Oscar E. De Castro. Program Head for English, Concurrent Program Head for Graduate School of Education for College of Education, Dr. Nora L. Cuentablanca. Program Head for College of Social Work Undergraduate for Dasmariñas, Concurrent Program Head for Graduate School of Social Work, Mr. Melvin C. Dairi. Program Head of Tourism Management, Maria Salve R. Cabinyan. Program Head for Real Estate Management for Manila and Dasmariñas, Dr. Maria Alma S. Kawagdan. Program Head for Nursing Undergraduate Program, Maria Irene Cordovales. OIC Program Head for Social Sciences, Leia D. La Forteza. Program Head for Information Systems and Multimedia Arts, Generos P. Puyo. Program Head for Information Technology, Sir Jason A. Suspenian. Program Head for Math and Sciences, Ms. Irene O. Bayalan. Program Head for Nutrition and Dietetics for Manila and Las Marinas, Cecilia A. Shoko. Program Head for Social Sciences, Mr. Arnold